If you're a Vaseline lover, if you love Vaseline products a lot, then trust me, you want to stay tuned to the end of this video and you do not want to miss out on any part. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be recommending 4 hot Vaseline lotions that actually help to lighten up your skin. Yes, you're surprised, right? Because we all know that Vaseline products are, they're not bleaching products. Okay, they are very good body maintenance lotions. They are lotions that actually help to maintain and glow up our skin complexion. But in today's video I'm going to be recommending Vaseline body lotions that will actually help to take you like 2 shades lighter. I'm going to be introducing to us Vaseline Healthy White Skin, like white, yes, lightening products, the 4 of them. So if you want to lighten up your skin and you want to get 2 shades lighter, do not miss out on this video. And if you're a natural fair skin person, you have a natural light skin and you want a product that will actually take you 2 shades lighter and still maintain your skin without giving you dark patches, without damaging your skin or giving you some sort of uneven skin tone or discoloration or dark spots or sunburn, you do not want to miss out on this video. Okay, stay tuned till the end. Hey family, welcome to another skincare video. And if you're just seeing this face for the first time, hi, my name is Choma Akujizi, and right here on this channel we do skincare tips, product reviews and DIYs. So if you're intentional in taking your skincare routine to the next level, trust me, you want to click the subscription button now, like, to be part of this amazing family. Okay, so the first lotion right here on my list is Vaseline Healthy White UV Lightening Lotion. Healthy Light UV Lightening Lotion. So when you hear healthy white, like healthy white, so what it means is that it is what healthy for a white skin. Okay, if you have a natural fair skin and you're a white skin person and you want something that will not get you darker, that will actually lighten up your skin without damaging it, this particular lotion has been clinically proven for a radiant and natural lighter skin, and in as early as 2 weeks, like I said, you begin to start seeing the results of using this particular lotion. It is infused with vitamin B3, which actually helps to bring out that fair glow, that natural fair glow. Okay, and it has triple sunscreen. It has the triple effect of sunscreen, which will actually help to prevent the darkening from the radiance of the sun. So you do not really have anything to worry about, because this lotion is just a must have. But one of the reasons why we get a body lotion and makes us get darker, it's as a result of the effects from the sun, especially if you're using a body lotion that doesn't even have sunscreen on its own and you are not even using a sunscreen, or you're not carrying out any form of preventive measures. That is why whenever you use a lotion, you start complaining that, oh, this lotion is making me darker, I got darker, I'm this, I'm that. So, but using this Vaseline body lotion, it has the triple effects, like triple effects of sunscreen. Your skin is not gonna get darker, and no harmful ingredients. It doesn't have any harmful ingredients in it. And with the micro droplets of petroleum jelly in it, it would also help to moisturize your skin. It's not greasy. It will give you a fair, lighter, soft and smooth skin in no time. So that is the first one right here on my list. The second body lotion right here on my list is Vaseline Daily Brightening Even Tone Body Lotion. This one is 200 ml. The active ingredient to this one is glycerin, stearate, niacinamide, tretinolamine and vitamin B3. Once you have vitamin B3, there is nothing to be worried about, because if it is about moisturizing and making your skin even tone and to bring out that light skin and glow, definitely you are going to get that. You are in for that because of this vitamin C and niacinamide. Wow, it is the niacinamide in it for me. This one too is gonna help give you an even toned skin, plus it also has the triple sunscreen infused with it with vitamin B3, which will actually helps to visibly brighten up your skin and glow up a dull skin. It also moisturizes your skin, it is fast absorbing, and it also helps to heal a dry skin. If you really have a dry skin, this Vaseline body lotion too will help to take care of your dry skin, and it's going to help leave your skin visibly soft and very smooth. So the third body lotion right here on my list is what? Vaseline Healthy Bright White Perfect 10 AHA and Pro Retinol. Whenever you hear retinol, just know that if you have a sagged skin, or if your skin is sagging, if you want a body lotion that's going to help to take good care of it and also enhance that retinol and that collagen production in your body, then this lotion is a go-to for you. It is just it is a beauty in a container. It is just everything. Okay, this one contains AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, which is an exfoliant, and exfoliants actually help to do what? Get rid of dead cells from your body. So anything that actually exfoliates your skin will actually help to make dark spots and hyper pigmentation invincible. If there's anyone like that, make it that can make it start reducing, like make you stop seeing them on your skin. That's what I'm trying to say. So this one, with everything, with the pro retinol and the AHA and the vitamin B3 in it actually helps to reduce every sign of fine lines, wrinkles, even toned skin and dark spots. I had just summarized what this lotion is going to do for you. It's going to give you a visibly clearer, lighter, and an even toned skin. Definitely your skin is going to be soft and smooth because it is so moisturizing. Okay, it's also a must have, and if you're a white skin person and you're a lover of Vaseline, you want something that will help to glow your skin, maintain your skin color, and also make you get lighter, you don't want to miss out on this one too. Okay, so the last lotion right here on our list is the Vaseline Healthy Bright White, the UV Extra Brightening Lotion. This one is UV Extra Brightening. Ooh, for a lighter and a glowing skin. This one is 400 ml, and if you want to get any of these lotions, anyone that picked in your interest and you want to get any of them, there's going to be linked in my description box where you can get them. Majority of them are foreign products, so they're going to be links in my description box for each lotion. So if you want to get any of them just check my description or the comment section. Okay, this lotion has an healthy bright SPF 24 post pollution body lotion. You see, it is so important, in as much as you're going to be using sunscreen on your skin. It is also important that your body lotions that you're using have SPF inside of them. Then your regular SPF, then you go in with your regular your regular SPF, you top it up with your SPF. Than using a lotion that doesn't really have SPF at all and you don't use sunscreen and going out in the sun. I'm sorry, but you cannot escape darkening your skin. You're going to get darker no matter the soap you are using. You're going to get darker. Maybe a part of your body, maybe your neck, will be darker from your face. You having the darker neck and a brighter face. So it's very important that you use lotions that have SPF and you also use an additional SPF with it. Okay, it has niacinamide inside of it, so niacinamide, put on with niacinamide will definitely lighten you up, definitely brighten you up. And trust me, if you have dark spots on your skin, they cannot survive it. The dark spots or hyperpigmentation cannot survive it. And it also has a micro droplet of Vaseline jelly to help boost your natural radiance. This one contains superior protection against UVA1, UVA2, and UVB pollution protect formula PPF. It is so amazing. Not just this lotion, no, the three that I've actually talked about previously too has it. So like you can just use the body lotion on your skin and you are so safe that yes, getting darker is not an option. You cannot get darker. Apart from the sun, there are also pollution there are also some pollutants in our environment that the base of the cream cannot like survive in it, that actually disturb the effects of the lotion or the effects of our skin on it. Okay, so this lotion actually helps to protect against it. This lotion actually helps make sure that while we're using the body lotion, like our skin is safe from every free radicals and the harmful radiation from the sun. So these are the four body lotions right here on my list that will actually help to lighten up your skin without damaging your skin. Okay, so trust me guys, this Vaseline lotion is a must have if you're a lover of Vaseline products and you're a fair skin person, you're a natural fair skin person, and you need a lotion that will lighten up your skin without giving you any damage. Okay, without damaging your skin, any of this lotion would be a very very good option for you. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining. If you watched me and you have not still subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to be part of the amazing family. So if you're dark skin here watching this video and you want me to also review Vaseline products that will actually help to brighten up dark skin and give you all that shine and glowy skin, not just for dark skin, also for caramel skin. You don't want to get lighter, but you want a body lotion that will actually help to maintain your skin and give your skin that radiance and that glow. Please come down to the comment section and say Vaseline for dark skin, and in no time you're gonna get the video. Thank you guys once again, and do not forget to like, and also check out my previous video. I did a video on 11 kitchen ingredients in our home that we can actually use to get rid of dark spots on our skin by ourselves without spending so much money. If you've not seen that video, do well to check that video out. Okay, alright guys, that'll be all for now, and until then I'll see you guys in my next video.